If your car suddenly starts shaking, the check engine light begins flashing, and it feels like you have lost half of your power, there is a very good chance you have a failing ignition coil. In a modern car, these little components are often called coil packs, and they sit directly on top of your spark plugs. Their job is simple, but incredibly high stakes. They take the low 12-volt power from your car's battery and transform it into a massive burst of electricity, often reaching 30,000 volts or more. This high voltage is what creates the intense spark needed to ignite the fuel inside your engine cylinders. In most modern vehicles, every single cylinder has its own dedicated coil, which allows for much more precise control over the combustion process. Because these coils are exposed to extreme heat and vibration every time you drive, they eventually wear out and begin to fail. When a coil goes bad, you might hear a loud popping sound from the exhaust, or your engine might stall out completely at a red light. A failing coil does more than just make your car run poorly. It can actually cause unburned fuel to leak into your exhaust system, which can destroy your expensive catalytic converter and lead to even bigger repair bills down the road. It also forces your engine to work much harder, which means you will be spending a lot more at the gas pump. Keeping an eye on the health of your ignition coils and replacing them as soon as you feel a misfire is one of the best ways to ensure your engine stays healthy and your fuel economy stays as high as possible for years to come.